All right, out here on the Hurricane, gonna do a quick video of all the components working, and then we'll do a separate video of the boat running. Right here on the switch panel, have a master power switch. This obviously needs to be on in order for everything to turn on. Stereo switch, this gives power to the head unit, which is right here on the side of the console. There's speakers throughout, amplifier, and a subwoofer. Got a horn. Got your courtesy lights, which are the deck lights throughout the boat. No docking lights on this boat. No depth finder on the boat. Bilge pump, which there's no water in the boat. You're not going to be able to see anything come out. Then I have a live well pump, which it's already on, but it's up here on the valve. As you can see, it's pumping water. Open accessory switch. Not a freshwater tank on the boat, so that's open. The black switch right here controls these white cube LEDs up here. Well, I got the engine running right now. You can see it circulating water. Then you have tilt and trim on the throttle itself. It's going up right now. Goes down. We have nav lights too. Got red and green up here on the bow. It's gonna be your green light. Then your red light for port. All right, I'll make a second video of the engine running at different RPMs.